How the birds got their color. Dreaming story. A long, long time ago, in the dream time, all the birds were black in color. Can you see? They didn't have any bright or fancy colors in their feathers. First, a little bird was flying around looking for food. The little bird flew down to catch a big juicy grub. When the bird flew down to the ground, it hurt itself with a sharp stick. It cut deep into his foot and made him very, very sick. Can you show me where your foot is? Next, the little bird had a swollen foot and it was in so much pain. Ouch, ouch. He was dying. All of the little birds' friends came to see if they could help. They all wanted to save the little bird, except for one bird. Can you guess who is that? Yes, you're right. The crow. Then suddenly a parrot rushed forward towards the sick little bird had. With her very, very sharp and pointy beak, the parrot burst the little bird's swollen foot. Many different colors rushed out and splashed all over the parrot. They were red and green and yellows and blues and other colors of the rainbow. All of these wonderful bright colors ran down her chest, wings and tail. The colors also splashed out onto the other birds. Can you see that? How colorful is that? Some were red, some were blue, some were brown, and some were yellow. Lucky, and even got spots and stripes too on all their feathers. All the birds except for, can you guess? Crow, who was standing away from them all. Crow didn't get any colors at all. The sick little bird with a swollen foot soon got better. He thanked the parrot for helping him with his swollen foot and then flew away, as colorful as here, as you can see. And that's how the birds got their colors. What birds have you seen? And what colors?